Hello and welcome to PowerBITrek tutorial for data visualization. In this video, we will learn how we can build a 100% stacked column chart in Power BI, and also we will explore the possible options for formatting. In our previous videos, we learned how to create simple stacked or clustered column charts in Power BI. If you're watching this video for the first time, please do check out the previous video of this playlist. Also, we have created other two playlists for DAX functions from basics to advanced, in which you will learn how you can create simple and complex measures and calculated columns using the DAX functions. And we have another playlist for end-to-end Power BI dashboard design and creation, in which you will learn how to create very interactive and dynamic dashboards for a given data set. So you will find the links in the description box for these two playlists. Please do check out that. And also, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and share with your friends who want to learn Power BI and data analysis. So 100% stacked column chart in Power BI is a type of chart that displays multiple series of data as a vertical columns. Each column represents the proportion of a whole, with the total height of the column representing 100%. It is useful for comparing the percentage distribution of multiple categories across different groups or time periods. So let's start. Let's see how we can create the 100% stacked column chart using on the given data set. So let me just open the data pane here and show you what data I have loaded into Power BI. So we're gonna use the same data, that is financial data that we used earlier in the previous videos. So in this table we have the sales data, that is total sales for each like columns, and we have profit column, product and segment and country. So we're gonna use some columns, some fields from this data set to build a 100% stacked column chart. So suppose you want to see the percentage of profit distribution across product for each country. We can do that using the stack 100% stacked column chart. So let's build one chart here. We can use these three fields to create that visual. So let me bring blank column chart here from this visualizations pane. So I'll just expand this one. So this is a blank chart, okay, and you can go either for bar chart or column chart. Both are same. Only the difference is that the data will be represented using the columns in the column chart, and in bar chart it will be represented using the bars horizontally. So let's see how we can build that visual. So for that, I will bring the profit to y-axis here. So shows the y-axis to the columns, and I'll bring the country to x-axis. That is, will show it the profit. It will be like categorized into country, the total profit. Now it is showing the total profit amount for each country. So if you want, like we want to see at product level, so I'll bring this product field to legend, and now you can see here the percentage distribution for each product and for each country. So by looking at this chart, you can say that like for France country, we have uh, the product that is Pasio is highest profit, and that is 22%, and the second highest profit generated by the product VTT. So this is how you can build the 100% stacked column chart, and you can look at the multiple dimensions like product and country, any metric that you want to see. So now in this case, we are looking at the percentage, we are looking at the profit percentage distribution for each product. And if you see y-axis, it shows the data range from 0% to 100%, and you see all the columns are actually if you summarize this total percentage, it will be 100 percentage. So this is how you can use the stacked 100% stacked column chart. So we will see the possible formatting options for this chart. So let's see, you want to modify something in this chart. You can you can do that using the formatting options. So let's go to the format your visual option, and you will get two fields, that is visual and general. So under visual you can apply multiple settings here to make it more beautiful and have that look and feel. So under y-axis, sorry, under x-axis, you can expand this one, and you can, if you want to change the font size, you can do that using these options. So let's say this is almost not visible. So if you want to increase the font size, you can do that using these options. So if you see, you can observe this, the font size is increased here. I'll keep this as 10, and if you want to change the color of these fonts, you can use that color palette option here, and you can change any of the color. So that is all for x-axis, and under y-axis you can change. Since the time range will be like the data range will be set automatically, since it's a 100% stacked column chart. It will have from 0% to 100%, and the next option we have, that is legend. And if you want to keep this legend, if you see here, that is product, keep this off or on, you can do that. You can switch between on and off, and you can change the position of this legend also using these options like top left, top center, or anything, whatever the options available in this list. You can change the text size of this legend. You can increase the font size and decrease as well, and you can change the color also. So under title option, you can keep this on or off, like this product. So we see the grid lines option. You see these dotted lines here. You can off this or on this as per your choice. So now it is invisible. Now it is gone. You can see. And if I keep this, it will show the dotted lines. You can change the colors or style of the grid lines here using this option, that is dash, solid, dotted, anything. And you can change the width also using these options. So zoom slider option is that, like, you can zoom the chart using this option. If you on this, you'll get one slider here, and you can just drag this like, and can zoom. You can increase the height of the columns or minimize the height of the column using this option. So just off this one. So under column options, you'll get like, if you want to modify anything for these columns, you can go to this column option, and you can apply settings to all, or you can select particular uh, product here, product segment. Let's suppose this color, which product it is. So this is umbrella, and if you want to change the color of this, only the segment, that is umbrella product, you can change this, that you can change that using these options. Like, I'll select the umbrella here for series, like apply settings to series. So, and the color it is showing the blue one, I'll change it to this color. Now if you see, this is applied to this particular product only. So this is how you can change. You can select any of the product line here, product series here, and you can change the color here, and you can increase the, you can adjust the transparency using this option. So the next option we have, that is ribbons. If you want to connect these columns, you can use the ribbon option like this. Okay, and I'll just keep this off. So the most important part is data labels. Now our data for now the data labels is off for our chart. You don't see any numbers here, percentage. So if you want to do that, you want to see the numbers across all each segment, you can just click over here on, and now you see it is showing all the numbers for each segment, each product actually. And if you see this PCO product has 22% profit and 18% is VGT, and other that is Velo product that is 18.62%. So this is how you can apply the data labels using this option. And if you want to format this also, you can expand this bit, and you can apply settings to any of the like product here using these options. So if you want to keep off for this product, like say this the least one, you see which product is. So this is Carretera. If you want to opt the data labels for these only, you can do so using these options. So let me select the Carretera and keep the show for this series off as off. So now you see it is actually gone. You we just opt the opt the data label for this particular product. You can do so for other as your design requirements. Just keep this on for now. So the last option we have under visual, that is plot area background. So under this option, if you want to apply any background to your chart using the image only, you can use that. Let's suppose want to apply image as a background here. So you can do so. You can just browse the picture, and I'll just select this picture here and click on open. So now you see the image, the background image has been applied to the chart. You can apply anything like any picture here for your like if you feel to make it more interact, more beautiful, you can use this option. Just keep this on. So under general tab, we have other formatting options, that is properties and titles. Under properties, you can adjust the height of the chart and width. Okay, and under title, you can see you can on this or off this. Let's see, if you off, you the title will go off, and if you want to keep the title, you can see, and you can modify the title also here. So this is percentage of profit, percentage profit by country and product. You can keep this, you can keep like this, or you can change as per your need. And here you can change the font size and font size here, and you can apply any color, and you can keep this horizontal alignment like in the center at the right side or left side. So under the next option we have, that is effects here. Under effects option, uh, previously we saw how to apply a background as image as a background, but here in this case you can apply the color as a background for this chart. Let's suppose now we have a white color as a background. If you want to change any color, let's say suppose I want to select this one. See the color, the background is applied to the chart, the complete chart using the color, and you can adjust the transparency using this option. So you can minimize or maximize transparency like this, or minimize whatever as per your needs. After background, we have next option, that is visual border. If you want to apply any border to your visual to the whole chart, you can use this option. Let's see, I just keep this on, and you see the border has been applied to the chart. And if you want to add a shadow to the chart, you can do so using these options like like shadow if you want to put any shadow, and you can adjust the shadow as per your need. You can change the color of the shadow, and you can change the offset as well. Now it is outside, you can change it inside, anything like as per your design needs, and you can change the position of this also. Now it is bottom right, and if you want to look at the bottom, if you want to change it to the bottom left, you can do so using these options. I'll keep this bottom right. So that is all. That is all the formatting options for this chart. So I hope you understood how to create the 100% stacked column chart on a particular data set. And if you like this video, I would request you to please subscribe to the channel and share with your friends who want to learn Power BI and data analysis. Thank you.